So we're eyeing these NVIDIA puts here. I'm gonna sell 2 of them and keep 4. I'll do fast price target. So I'm gonna sell the last one at 31%.
A lot of people would think that maybe they missed a trade, they already ran without them and they can't take the trade. That's why the break and retest strategy is by far one of the most strongest, because I entered on that retest and it did not go any higher than that. So
I tried to just follow market trend. It makes it a lot easier. Good morning and welcome back to another live trading vlog video where you guys see what it's like to be a day trader, working on becoming a full-time millionaire every single day, guys. Time is currently 6:45 a.m., 15 minutes after the market has been open, and let me show you guys what we're watching today. SPY on the higher time frame lost that little zone support, which is totally fine and perfect because now we can start looking for some bearish setups since we are a little bit below that area. So what I am looking for is for some NVIDIA. You guys see every time we hit this area, we've been talking about it for this whole week, every day on our vlog. We did take puts on Monday below this area, and then bounce in the pre-market, bounce on that support on Wednesday and Thursday. And here we are again on Friday, breaking trend and currently at that support again. So I have it on 5 minutes, just ready to enter. I have my 136 open. They're only going for $60 a piece, which isn't too crazy. And I'm just gonna follow the market. Everything's pulling back here pretty strong. So if NVIDIA can lose that level, I think we'll get some good puts. So I just do this to show you guys how my mind thinks. During the open market, I try to just follow market trend. It makes it a lot easier. If market's already trending down and you have a put setup, just take the break and retest strategy or an aggressive entry and you'll be straight on the downside off a nice breakout of a specific support level. So what we're gonna do is just wait patiently, give it a couple hours, see if we can spot a trade. And if we do spot a trade, of course, we're gonna load the boat, live record it, and show you guys what it's like. So we're eyeing these NVIDIA puts here. I can enter on this 5-minute close, but I'm waiting for a 15-minute close for some good confirmation. But we're gonna wait for this 15-minute candle close on NVIDIA, and then we're probably gonna take some puts soon. We might have just missed NVIDIA puts. They were at $80, now they're at 120, but it is okay. Maybe we'll just get a retest if it ever comes for a retest. Might not even get that. $15% here off some NVIDIA puts. I'm gonna sell 2 of them and keep 4. Already hit my price target. I'll do fast price target. So I'm gonna sell the last one at 31%. That was a fast in and out trade, guys. We just made 30% off a single trade. Already hit my price target, so guess what? We're out just like that. We just slapped the fuck out of some NVIDIA puts to the downside. We got that breakout that we wanted, that we showed you guys earlier, the setup, and I'm gonna show you guys the setup here too. Always provide the context and show you guys the educational purposes behind why I'm doing what I'm doing, trade idea, the plan, everything about it. So let's show you guys how much we made, the contract entry, and best believe I call it out to the Discord. Simply, like we said earlier, every time NVIDIA hits this little support level, it tends to bounce. But today, since the whole market was pulling back very hard, everything was going bearish, it's very simple. When you have a nice support level and everything's going bearish, it can easily get broken to the downside, and that's what we got. So we got a nice breakout to the downside, not only on the 15-minute time frame, but the 5. And you guys saw it. I missed this little pull down here. A lot of people would think that maybe they missed a trade, they already ran without them, and they can't take the trade. Or maybe they might even enter here and they see this little pullback and they might get wrecked or be down like 10-15%. That's why the break and retest strategy is by far one of the most strongest, because I entered on that retest and it did not go any higher than that. So I didn't, as soon as I entered, literally instant 11%. I mean, I couldn't even type it out. I was going so quick. Instantly after that, 20%. And so I sold one at 25%, or sold 2 of them at 25%. You guys can see here, here's my contracts. I bought 3 of them for 101, sold 2 at 126, and sold the last one at 138. So I gotta look back what I could have done better, maybe set my price target a little bit further because it was pretty close. Now the risk reward ratio on this one was pretty nice, because you guys can see this is a nice drop right here. That's almost $1 drop. So we got almost $1 drop on NVIDIA, and the stop loss is only 20 cents. So the risk reward ratio is very solid on that trade. A single trade put us alone up over almost $90 on the day off a single trade. So that's what type of trades we're trying to look for, because if I can take another one exactly like that with the same gain percentage, I already knew exactly how much I was going to go in for, so I'm mentally prepared. And if I can take another trade like that, then I'll be up almost $200, only about like 160-ish, 180-ish on the day. So that's a very good setup. And of course, I always post it in the Discord, let them know what I'm looking at, what's the idea behind it, what contracts I'm eyeing. I told them to have the 136s open. I kept mentioning it for over like 30 minutes, saying, guys, I have my 136 open. I'm almost ready to enter, just waiting. As soon as I pull the trigger, I hit send in my Discord tab, and we so all our trades this week, no losses. I'm probably just gonna end it there because I don't want to risk what I just made. Gonna let the market do its own thing. We caught the nice drop, and we could have done better. We could have done better because look at these contracts. It was a 1 minute trade. 1 minute trade at 138 exit.
These contracts are at 330. Insane, guys. Just know the levels that I find are not random. Somebody had said that they feel like traders be having random levels on their chart, but not me. I spend my time finding very precise levels. I mean, everything is very specific to the T. I spend a lot of time going back in the charts, making sure on a higher time frame that these levels are A1. I'm for sure about to just end it there. I only took one single trade. I'm not going to take any more trades since I don't want to risk taking a potential loss this week. Since whole week, guys, we took, how many trades did we take? I forgot what the number was. I think it's 8 total. So I think yesterday I said 7 trades I took total this week. So today is 8 total trades, and all of them freaking printed green, nice profits. None of them took an L. All the calls I called out were profits too. Unfortunately, there was 3 trades I didn't call out since I was on the road, but every single other trade that I did take, I did call out. So, and people have been taking it with me too and eating with me this week, so it's been real nice. It's a lot of pressure trying to make sure you find the right trades. See, if I was trading by myself and I knew that nobody else was going to enter with me, maybe I would have took a lot of different trades, but the accountability that I have makes me make sure I take the right entry, the right trade, the right setup, the right risk reward ratio. Recovered our losses from last week because we took a very small $80 loss last week, but every single day of this week literally eats it up. So next week hopefully can be a good week. Second week of December down, and we freaking killed it. So I hope you guys been enjoying these vlogs. I hope you guys been killing it in the markets, and if you guys need some extra help, feel free to go on my website, click on the link in my bio, and join that free Discord server. Message me, DM me, or add me in the chat, and we can go into voice chat over the weekend and talk about what you need help on. Maybe trades that we went over, trades that you want to go over that you took in yourself, go over the charts, or any educational purposes that you guys need. I'm always here for you guys. So feel free to DM me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.